Hello and welcome. I'm Aminu Ajuji, the co-founder of Carbon Mop Limited. Carbon Mop Limited, net zero via net profit via net zero, energy for climate. Carbon Mop Limited is a carbon emission management solution company into carbon credit trading and exchange, sales and distribution of blue hydrogen and captured CO2. Most of global emissions from industries comes from fossil fuels industries, which contribute to climate change and global warming, affecting human productivity and economic growth. Our solutions is removal reductions of these carbon emissions from these industries and provide alternative low carbon fuel with carbon credit trading and exchange, captured CO2 and blue hydrogen fuel. Our product for offer is captured CO2, blue hydrogen fuel, and carbon credit certificate for issuers. Our target market are the oil and gas exploration and production industry, refining and petrochemicals industry, thermal and coal power plant, cement industry, food and beverages industries. Our total addressable market stood at 50 billion US dollars, serviceable and accessible market 5 billion US dollars. 1 billion US dollars is the serviceable obtainable market for the carbon credit trading, blue hydrogen, and capture CO2. Our business model will carry out a verification of emission in a voluntary carbon market approved by the United Nations Framework Convention of Climate Change. We verify the emissions from the project developer. We issue carbon credit based on the amount of emission reduced or removed. Then we registered for identification of ownership. Then we sell the carbon credit to the target industry with a retirement certificate. We also supply and distribute blue hydrogen fuel and capture CO2. Brokerage, our revenue generation through the brokerage of carbon credit, we stood at in January 76,000 US dollars, February 112 US dollars, March 119, and April 258,000 US dollars. Our tractions stood at 2.7 million US dollars in 2024 to 5.9 million US dollars in 2025 to 12.7 million US dollars in 2026 and 22 million US dollars in 2027. Carbon Mop Limited is endowed with highly teams of professionals who are highly skilled in the field. Musa Jibril is a professional market operational analyst of carbon credit. I myself, the chief executive officer, a professional engineer, also with vast knowledge of the oil and gas industry and clean energy. Carbon Mop Limited is seeking the tune of 1.5 million US dollars to scale carbon credit trading, blue hydrogen, fuel, gas station, hire more staffs, procure essential hardware, among others. Thank you for having me.